This is gonna fall. And I'm just so over it. Don't mind that background is I'm resetting my computer because it's been stupid and I want to play Sims.
She's so good at what she do, I might bust a move. Jobbing on the lock while I sprinkle Molly Rock. How come when I'm coming down's the only time you need me?
So as you can read by the title of this video, we are going to be using the new palette by Morphe. Look at these beauties. We are going to be doing ugly colors, which are these greens. Some people might not find it ugly, but a lot of people are like always staying away from like colors that are not like an everyday type of thing. So I was like, okay, well, why not support my friend Shrek and do an inspired look by him. Anyways, if you can hear the TV, I'm sorry too. I'm over it. I just want to record this video. I've been trying to set this up all morning. Just let me stop blabbing because this is what I do. We're going to start obviously with the eyebrows. I know my eyebrows is not like everyone's cup of tea, but what can you do? No, I'm not gonna say that. Nope. All I ever do when I make videos is embarrass myself by exposing my own self. Like, you'll never catch someone exposing me because I'll probably do it myself. Okay, so now I'm going to put setting powder, and it's the Cuddy Earthspun. I don't want to shake it like that because once I open it, it's like shabam, and it's like, okay, I'm sorry. Also, if I look like I'm just on something, I'm not. I'm just like on that no sleeping trend. Just kidding. No, I haven't slept though, so if I look like I'm like, that's the coffee doing its job. I was like, oh my god, what? This is my best friend. By the way, if you're watching this video, hey best friend. And sorry if I cut off half of my face too. I'm trying to work with what I got, okay? Okay. Sure. Pretty much just working with this greens. I'm gonna use the darkest one, this one. Just so you all know, I never plan my makeup videos. Like, I know usually people do like, okay, well, I have an idea, I'm gonna do this. Or, oh my god, that would be so cute, I'm gonna film that. I'll usually just press record and then I just come up with whatever my brain tells me to do. Awesome. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this on my, I haven't done a makeup video in so long, I don't know what's it called. You know where I'm putting it. On my crease. I think it's my crease. I'm gonna go over with this one right here, and I'm gonna kind of put it on top, but not really, not a lot. I'm going to go with this one on the outer corner. Okay, doesn't look bad. Now I'm going to carve my eye. Do people say that? I'm gonna make a cut crease. I'm the worst. See, this is what I mean. I'm not good. I forget that I'm doing it and I blink and it's like, okay, well, why did you do that? Like, you know how it makes me feel. Why would you do that? Okay, so I went over with Free Spirit. I kinda didn't clean my brush before, you know, but whatever, you know, move on. I put it on top just to dry it up. And just packing it on. I should probably stop fucking with it, because usually when I keep doing that, I just set myself for disaster. So we are going to use this bright ass green. Hopefully it comes out good. I'm scared. I'm just procrastinating. I don't know how this will come out, but we're here to see. Now I'm debating if I should use my fingers or, okay, let's use the brush first. If I don't like how much it grabs, then I'll use my finger. So this is how it's coming out. It's not as bad as I expected, but I'm still scared to continue. Like I said, I don't have any, like, okay, I have like a look in mind, but not really, because it's like my brain is just like okay, and then it's like, wait, what? And then it's like, I don't know, and it's like, oh, that's an actual great idea, and then it's like, what's the idea about? Like, you know what I'm saying? That's when I realized it was not okay, and I shouldn't have recorded myself like half asleep. There you go. Enjoy. One of these, I promise you, they're green. It's not. Okay, here. Like, this is like yellowish. This is really green, kind of like this, and then this one is like, it's like the color beside it. Let's just put it in the inner corner of my eyes and see. Oh wow, that's pretty. A waterfall. So this is how it's looking so far. Okay, now let me finish my other eye. So I've done my eyes. This is how they look. This is, I guess, the final product. I'm kind of shook. I didn't think these colors were gonna work as good as they did, because green, I know it's kind of hard to get it to be pigmented and whatnot, and I was honestly expecting it to be patchy. Sorry, that's what I expected, but I guess I was wrong. Like, you guys see this? Like, I guess this is the makeup look. I'm going to do my eyeliner. They look cute or whatever, but once I put it on, it's like I have no lashes, so very disappointed. I'm gonna be using the Voluminous Superstar because it's just like the best drugstore mascara, girl. Alright, I'm gonna finish the rest of my makeup and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the final look. I'm going for like a natural look or whatever. So I was gonna do eyeliner on my bottom waterline, but I was like, no, let's just not. So this is how my makeup looks. There's like any, like, you know, messes is because of the mascara, and I have not gone to clean it up, so just ignore that. But okay, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know if you like this color. Sorry, I keep looking at myself. It's just like, I don't know, it's distracting, I guess. Let me know if you like this makeup look. It was really simple. I didn't want to do something crazy because I was scared, and if I would have messed up, I would have to start all over again. And you guys, this video is already really long, and I'm gonna probably stay up all night editing this video. Let me know what color I should do next. So that's pretty much my video. Sorry, I'm like so all up in your face, but I want you to look and appreciate the colors and whatnot, because I know it's kind of hard to look or like notice. You know, I don't have the best camera quality, but yeah, overall I give this palette a 9 out of 10. 8 out of 10 actually, because I've only tested the green ones. I've not tested the other ones, but I'm pretty sure it's good. I'm just not, you know, I don't want to sugarcoat it for you guys. This was just like out of my comfort zone, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. Anyways, see you guys in my next video. Bye.